Awesome. This is the 1973 Kawasaki S2 350. So they only built these things from 71 till 74. And I tell you, there is nothing like the sound of a small bore triple. Bigger bikes were the 500 and the 750 in the later years, but there's something about a small bore triple like this thing that's hard to beat, and the classic styling, like you cannot beat this, and it still looks awesome today. The things that I really like about this is actually the straight bars. So in the early 70s, even probably through the mid 70s, they always, everybody, you know, they had bars that came up, chopper bars, the bicycle bars, and these were like a straight drag bar. And it's actually a pretty comfortable riding position, and it complements the bike. They're nice width. This was also 73, first year for the disc brake, which they desperately needed because bikes in the 70s with drum brakes are marginal at best. And this particular motorcycle has just under 6,000 miles on it, and this is actually unrestored. This is the way it was the day it rolled off the factory. Nothing's been changed to it other than different air filters. But other than that, that's the paint it was born with. There's everything about this thing is one of my favorite bikes that we have in the fleet. Like, it's the color scheme, it's the way it looks. Like, this is what I would love to ride, and just daily, this thing. Even though it's only a 350, it actually has, I would use good bottom end loosely, but it's got some pickup for sure. And I mean, you think this thing's 1973, like 50 years old, and it still handles good, brakes pretty good, and you know, accelerates, and it sounds awesome. It doesn't sound like anything that's built at all today. So that's partly why this thing has a piece of my heart. Let's get it on the road.